Guys, welcome back to another beautiful one. I don't know. Welcome back to another video. And as seen in the last video, which I just got done filming, I'm still on my foot hurts. I was climbing lane. I was on my hoverboard. Hoverboard back here and hoverboard cart. And this video is about off-roading it. So we're gonna, it can go off-road. We've done it before. So we're gonna go off-road the hoverboard cart. So, I'm gonna fix the phone, fix the camera right here. Alright, here we go. Oh. Alright, anyways. As you can see, we're going off-road. My brother does this trick where he puts his feet up on the handles here to make you go. Let's see if I can try that. Oh. So hold on. I'll back up some. I didn't know I was doing between my legs. I don't know. And I'll turn around. Oh, okay. Let's see what that's filming over here. Well, I mean, it's filming darkness, but besides that, so let me see if I can do that. Oh, okay. Low battery, 10% on my phone. Anyways, so I'm gonna go get a flashlight and you'll see why in a few seconds. So I got the flashlight, as you can see, and now we're gonna go get my cat's food bowl, because it happened to end up way over there in the yard somewhere, and I don't know where. So let's do that. Oh jeez, okay. Yeah. Whoa, okay, whoa. Oh, I see the problem. It came off of the hoverboard. Alright, now we can begin the process of getting it. So let's go ahead and head on over there. Go. Alright. It's going. You can make sure that there's anything scary, like animals or anything, because like I live out in the country and all, so. Oh, that was scared me. And dogs barked and scared me again. Bowl is full of like bees and water. So let's try to turn around here and make it back up the hill. Okay, we made it up the hill. So, yeah. All right, here. Like that. Yeah, that hurts. Alright, well here. Let's hope it doesn't roll away again or anything this time. Which it has before. The first time I tried to use it, Rascal like pooped in the mulch, I guess, over there. And the first time I tried to use it, I set it on there and it drove off by itself. Hey, there you go. There you go, cat. It drove off by itself and like ran in cat poop. So anyways, yeah. Yeah, so it can go off-roading. And like, let's do some more off-roading. Okay. Somebody just shot something. Anyways, so, yeah. Try to do some off-road wheelies here, guys. I can get the phone to video it. Whoa. As you're seeing, you can also do wheelies. Alright. And then I have to like stand up. This part. Alright, just give it here. And like push it up here. And like drag it and push it up. And it came off the hoverboard again, so yeah. Let's fix that problem. There. Okay, I can't do it with this because it's not like locked on there. So we just like picked it up and put it on there. Oh, and it's driving away again. Let's put this in front of the front wheel or tire or whatever. And stop it from like going like partially. turn that off. So, I think somebody just shot some kind of big gun or something. I don't know. I'm kinda scared. My little sister. Okay. I don't think you guys just saw it, but Rascal was like rubbing her face on that board, and it fell down the steps. I was leaning right there. So, yeah, that happened, didn't it, Rascal? Something kind of scared me. I guess it was my little sister. Ow. Not really ow, but I mean, yeah, but like, she like, I guess at the door or something. It kind of scared me. So, anyways, I guess today's video is over. This video is over. That's what's scaring me. There's something in the house. I don't know, man. Anyways, yeah. So, I guess, bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.